Hey everyone, it's Bianca. Welcome back to another video on my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. Today I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done in a couple of months, which is a beauty subscription unboxing from Birchbox. This isn't gifted to me in any way. I purchase this with my own money each month, and I'm super excited to get into the unboxing, so I'm just going to get right into it. So the first thing that I noticed when unboxing this from the shipping box is this box is clear, and I honestly love how they've chosen the clear box with the kind of iridescent shifting cellophane material on the inside. So I also want to mention it did come with a little card with the description of each item on the back that you receive each month. This one says, taking care of your skin can be easy. And I just like typography kind of just is aesthetically pleasing to me, especially in this colorway with the lavender and the light blue. And then on the other side here it says that there's like a little skin health checklist. And the first thing that I have here is the Botanicals, the Buff Stuff. This is their citrus body scrub. And on the card it says, this body scrub buffs and polishes using walnut shells to gently remove dead, dull skin. It leaves skin stimulated, energized, and smooth, all while being microbead and paraben free. So that's really awesome. I'm looking forward to trying this out in my shower the next time I hop in there. And it says to massage gently onto damp or wet skin and then rinse thoroughly. So definitely interested in seeing how this is going to work. And the full size price is only $5.50. So not bad. If I like this enough, I may purchase it through Birchbox. And also just the packaging itself, super minimal, really cute colors with the pink and the yellow. Really interested in trying this out. The next item that I have in front of me is by Dr. Botanicals. It's their Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. So this is a facial mask that you leave on overnight. I've never used anything like this before just because I'm kind of all over the place when I sleep, but I think with this you leave it on the skin a little bit before going to bed. That way it's not like super wet and gets all over your pillow. This sleeping mask is rich in vitamin C and pomegranate, a perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. Apply a thin layer and leave on overnight. And the full price of this is only $9.90. So again, super affordable. Love the packaging. Birchbox just gets me with the aesthetically pleasing packaging, and the pricing is right up my alley. And I will update you guys as far as the body scrub and the sleeping mask on my Instagram in my story. If you don't follow me over there, I'll leave my handle over here. So follow me over there and I'll keep you guys updated with that. The next thing is by a company that I've received before in my Birchbox. It's by R&Co. It's their Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. So I love R&Co just because of their packaging. It's really cute and simple. So the card says, hydrate hair, minimize frizz, and boost shine with this lightweight lotion. Formulated for all hair types. You apply it to wet hair before blow drying or air drying. So this is a leave-in. It's not something that you apply and then rinse off in the shower. So I'm definitely interested to see how this works with my curly hair. If I like it enough, the full size price is $29. So I think it's the most expensive in this box this month, and it's not bad. I've had items that were way more expensive than that. The next item that I have here is by Marcel, and this is an eyebrow liner. So it's kind of hard to see it because I still have the packaging. Let me see if I can get a clear shot. There we go. So the packaging is obviously still on there. I haven't taken it off yet, but something that I noticed is it comes with a spoolie on one end, and then obviously the pencil is on the other side. For those of you who know me personally or just know me through my channel, you guys know that I don't really play around with my eyebrows. I pretty much leave them as is and kind of shape them from time to time very slightly. I've gotten just like the eyebrow razor things that you can get from Walgreens, just to kind of clean up around the top and the bottom if it tends to get a little too hairy. But as far as shaping them and defining them, that's a whole new ball game for me. So I'm definitely gonna try this out and let you guys know what I think of it and if I would repurchase. This is $14 for the full size, and it is their Nano Eyebrow Liner, medium brown. This self-sharpening brow pencil helps to define, shape, and fill in sparse spots. You use short upward strokes to fill in gaps in your brow hairs, and then you comb through with the spoolie to blend. So that's interesting that it's self-sharpening. I don't know how that is because it doesn't look like there's a sharpener. So I'm definitely gonna inform you guys on my Instagram story once I figure that part out, because it just looks like a normal pencil with a spoolie on the other side. Another item I'm super excited to try. Now, the last item I was a little confused, I have to be honest with you. It came in this really cute little burlap satchel, and it says Birchbox on it. And I've heard of this tool being used in like the skincare and facial industry, just from watching like Refinery 29 and stuff like that on YouTube. And I've never owned one before, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna butcher the name, so I'm not even gonna say it, I'll just display it on the screen. And the full size is $14. So this is basically something to help stimulate your skin, and it says it's an ancient beauty tool that helps lift and contour the face, relieve facial and jaw tension, promote a brighter complexion through lymphatic drainage. And then it just directs you to go on the website for tips on how to use it. So I'm really excited because one, the stone is beautiful. It's the same jade material as the roller that I had featured in, I believe, my November box. And it's just super gorgeous. I'm really interested in incorporating this into my skincare routine. I love the little jade roller, and to be honest, I've seen a lot of other YouTubers kind of downplaying Birchbox to see if it's really worth it based on what you're paying. And me personally, only paying like $15.80 a month for sample sizes versus like Ipsy, where you pay twice that much for 5 full-size products. I'd rather get sample sizes to try out new products from brands I don't know versus getting full-size products and not liking it. Then I feel really guilty because I'm wasting a full-size product. Sometimes they're hit or miss with certain products they give me. I'm not really like a lipstick person, as you guys know. Sometimes they give me lip products, and I tend to just give them to my sister if I can and if she wants them. And if not, that's fine. It's a sample size product. I'm not wasting a full-size product. And I'm really excited to incorporate all of these items that I got in my month Birchbox subscription. Just probably link Birchbox's site down below if you guys are interested in trying it out yourself. I have the annual subscription, I believe, because they had a promotion going on where if you sign up for their annual subscription, you get your first box for only $1. And that's what I did, so I'm kind of locked in up until I get my 12th box. But to be honest, for the things that I get, I like Birchbox because you kind of get to explore different brands and you can curate based on your needs. So like when you sign up for Birchbox, they have you fill out a beauty profile and basically what your interests are, if you want like paraben and silicone free things, vegan friendly, stuff like that, cruelty free. You fill all of that out and then they basically do most of the work for you. I feel pretty intimidated going into like an Ulta or anything like that because there's so many things to choose from and I'd rather have someone kind of guide me and help me out versus like going in blindly and not really knowing what's best for my complexion and my skin type. So that is it for this month's Birchbox unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was really fun for me to get into doing this again. If you guys like these videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for being here. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I have 63 subscribers now and I kind of feel like my channel is slowly gaining this momentum. So that makes me really excited. I really want to get monetized at some point this year, so subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.